So this is our room at Cabana Bay. We're in 4701. This is called a family suite. And you walk in and there's a little living area right here that you're looking at. And then to your left is a little kitchenette. And as you can see, there's plenty of shelves and a little microwave. That's a little microwave. But it's a microwave, right? Coffee pot, coffee, condiments, coffee, ice bucket, and then this is the refrigerator. It's not huge, but you know, it's good. And this side is where the garbage is, so it's not in the way. A little sink. Then here's a little bar. You could eat up here, serve up here. And some bar stools. And here's the living area. Has I'm willing to bet that's a pull-out couch. I guess I could check it. Yes, there's a bed in there. 2 chairs. And then these are separated, so you could move these around to different places in the room. So there's plenty of little table space. Plenty of space for storage for your clothes or whatever. Pretty deep too. Deep and wide, long. I don't think this is just decorative. And then what's cool here is this is a screen. Here's the bedroom. You have task lights over the beds. And next to the bed, in between, is a nightstand. But there's no USB, only electrical outlets. So you'll have to use your adapters or cubes or whatever. And then there's a drawer in this nightstand and a shelf. Those lights, you can just have the top part on, or you can have both lights or just the bottom over the bed. This is our view. It's not a great view, but it's our view. On the other side of us would be the pool. So we're facing out to, I guess, a neighborhood. Now look at this, a walk-in closet. That's unusual. So plenty of space to store luggage, or if you're like us, we have a lot of other things that we carry, camera bags, and we bring food. So this is a great spot. I mean, I've never seen that I can think of a walk-in closet in a hotel room. And you have this television. So there's a television out in the sitting area, and there's a television in the bedroom. And here is the bathroom. And this is nice because the toilet room is separated from the tub. But there are 2 sinks, so that's great. So when you're getting ready, you can use one of these 2 sink areas. And then they have storage in here. Hair dryer in the bathroom. Tub with a shower head, nice shower head. And look, they supply VO5. The theming in here is great. They have Zest and VO5 for your soap and your shampoo and your conditioner. They also have a clothesline in the shower. So if you have wet bathing suits or if you have to hand wash something, that comes in real handy. So it drips into the bathtub. Then here's the dresser, so to speak, or the drawers, the storage for the room on this side. If you remember, on the living area, you have 2 drawers, and then you have 2 drawers in here. So plenty of space for storage. And again, this pulls shut, privacy.